Namaskar. Today I am going to discuss about one disease is called lipoma. Lipoma is a fibrous growth on the body. It may be painful or it may not be painful. So if there is a lipoma at any stage, you can treat the lipoma. What is lipoma? Lipoma is a slow growing fatty lump that may be on the body or any part of the body. It's a lipoma is not necessary. It will be a painful, it will be a cancerous, or it will be a fibrous. Lipoma is not a harming, it is not harm you, and it is a simple lump on the body part. Lipoma is usually detected in the middle age. It may be in the middle age, or the patient which I am discussing, she is about 20 years old and she is having lipoma on various part of the body. One part of the lipoma which I am discussing today is on the spinal cord, 4 inch above the spinal cord. This lipoma treatment identification and treatment as per the SIJOG. Because as per the Sujok, the complete body corresponds to the hand. Every part of the body has its own correspondence on the palm. Likewise, this lipoma the patient was having, it was in the spinal cord area. Spinal cord below the tailbone, 4 inch above the tailbone. It means the if this is the spinal cord, if this is the spinal cord and this is the tailbone of the patient or the spinal cord, and lipoma was 4 inch above the 4 inch above the spinal cord, then it means this is the spinal cord, this is the correspondence of the spinal cord, and on the body it's on the spinal cord in insect correspondence or in sujok correspondence. This is the exact point, this is the exact point of the lipoma. So, as per the five element theory or Agarwal energy concept, I put the green color on the lipoma, green color on the lipoma, so that the energy property of the green color or wind energy to spread whatever is accumulated on that part. So it means when we are applying the green color on the lipoma or the lump, it has spread whatever things were in the lipoma or in the fibrous form on the body. So this lipoma has this green color has spread the increase the wind energy in the lipoma on the wind energy. As a result, whatever is accumulated here, that is spread on the inside the body. So in this three slides, you can see the patient is having a lipoma, and it's a first day picture when she apply green color of the lipoma, and after 3 days the slide is self-explanatory. You can see after 3 days the lump or lipoma is shrink or spread in the body part. After 5 days, you can see in another slide, it is also visible that lymphoma is almost dissolved. So thank you. It shows the energy concept, Agarwal energy concept, and how the colors can affect on your body.